Hello everyone, I hope you all are keeping good health. Today we will start with a new topic, isosceles triangle. Now what is isosceles triangle? A triangle with two sides equal. Here you can see this is a triangle. Here the two sides are equal. Now in an isosceles triangle, there is one more thing that you have to keep it in mind. The base angles, that is, here you can see AB and AC are equal. Side left is BC. So the angles B and angle C are the base angles here. So in an isosceles triangle, as the two sides are equal, the base angles are also always equal. So base angle you can easily find out by the sides which you are leaving here. Yes? Okay. So here angle B and angle C are the base angles which are also equal. Now let's take another isosceles triangle. Here it is a rotated figure. Now name it as ABC again. Here these two sides are equal. Side left is AC. So the base angles are angle A and angle C. These two angles are also equal. Again considering third triangle. Again it is an isosceles triangle. Again the side left is AB. So the base angles are angle A and angle B. These base angles are also equal. So the first observation is two sides have same length, and the next is base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. These two property you have to keep it in mind while solving the triangles which are isosceles triangle. Moving to the next triangle, it's equilateral triangle. Means a triangle with all the three sides equal. Now in equilateral triangle, as all the sides are equal, the interior angles are also equal. Let it be x. As they are equal, we are taking a same variable to represent it. Now if I want to find out the value of x here, what you will do, you will use angle sum property. Adding all the values, you will get 180 degree. As they are same variable, you will get 3x is equals to 180 degree. Shifting 3, right now we are multiplying. After shifting, we will use division operation. So x we will get as 180 degree upon 3, which is 60 degree. So we can write that equilateral triangle, all the sides have same length and each angle has measure 60 degree. Now moving to some more, try these. Here you are supposed to find value of x in each figure. Here the very first thing you will point out is the triangle is isosceles triangle. Here the two sides AB and AC are equal. So what are the base angles here? Angle B and angle C. Now by the second property of isosceles triangle, that is base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So here the base angle x and 40 degree will be equal to each other, and thus we can find out the value of x here. Next figure. Again this is an isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal. The side left is QR. So the base angles are angle Q and angle R. They both are equal. So we can mark angle Q also as 45 degree. Now to find out the value of x, we are supposed to use angle sum property. Adding all the angle, you will get the value as 180 degree. Solving the left hand side, it's 90 degree plus x is equals to 180 degree. Shifting 90 degree, solving x is 90 degree. Moving to the third figure. Again, it's an isosceles triangle. AB and BC are equal. Side left is AC. So the base angles are angle A and angle C. So by this property only we can say that x is equals to 50 degree. Moving to the next figure. Again, here AB and AC are the equal sides. So the base angle will be angle B and angle C. They both are equal. So we can mark angle C also as x. Now to find out the value of x, you will use angle sum property. Adding both the x, 2x plus 100 degree is equals to 180 degree. Shifting 100 degree first, you will get the answer as 80 degree. Shifting 2 now, you will get the answer as 80 upon 2, which means 40 degree. Here you can see there is an exterior angle given to you. So the first thing you can do here is first consider the isosceles property. So as AB and AC are equal, so the two angles which are forming the base angles here is, one is angle B. The second one you will now name it as angle C, because at point C you can see there are two angles. So you have to use three letters to name it the interior angle. So here the interior angle is ACB. So both the base angles will be equal to each other. So we will mark angle ACB, or you can name it as BCA as x. Now here we can use exterior angle now. Now if the exterior angle is there, either we will use exterior angle property or we can use here linear pair property. Here exterior angle property means exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angle. But the angle at A is missing. So we will not use exterior angle property. We will use linear pair property at vertex C. So we will add these two angles. You will get 180 degree. Shifting 120 degree to the other side to get the value of x, you will get the answer as 60 degree. Now here again 110 degree is an exterior angle. Using first the isosceles property, here the base angles are angle B and angle C. So we can say angle B is also equals to x. Now here angle B and C are also interior opposite angles of an exterior angle. So we will use exterior angle property here. Solving the two, you will get the value of x as 55 degree. Here there is a vertical opposite angle property plus isosceles triangle property. First, as the base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal, so here the opposite sides are AC and AB. Base angles are angle A, and the second one will be at vertex B. There are two angles, so you have to use three letters. I am using here as angle ABC. You will write the value as x also. Now at point B, it's a vertical opposite angle, so we can say x is also 30 degree by vertical opposite angle property. Moving to question number 2, here we are supposed to find value of x and y both. Again, here there is a triangle, isosceles triangle, and an exterior angle given to you. First you will use isosceles property as the two sides are equal, so the base angles will be equal. Here at vertex C, there are two angles. We will use three letters to name it. So, base angles, one is B, other is ACB. Both are equal, so we will mark ACB also as Y. Now, we will use linear pair property here to get the value of Y. Shifting 120 degree, you will get the value of Y as 60 degree. Now, we can use either angle sum property or exterior angle property. I am using here exterior angle property, replacing Y by 60 degree from 1. You will get it as 120 degree. Shifting 60 degree to the right hand side, you will get the value of x as 120 degree minus 60 degree, that is 60 degree. In the next figure, again, this is an isosceles triangle and an exterior angle is also there. Considering isosceles first, you will get two base angles, one is B and the second one you will name it as BAC or CAP. We will get the value as x here. We can mark it as x now. Now, using angle sum property, as the third angle is clear, it's 90 degree. There is a square at vertex C. So you will use angle sum property. Yes, same variable, we can add them. Shifting 90 degree, you will get the value as 90 degree. Shifting to 90 by 2, will get the final answer as 45 degree. This is a value of x. Now, to calculate y, here either you will use exterior angle property or the linear pair property. I am using exterior angle property, which means y should be equals to the interior opposite angle sum. Replacing x by 45 degree from 1, you will get the y as 135 degree. Again, there is one angle 92 degree which is having vertical opposite angle property here, and one angle is y which is an exterior angle, and there is a triangle which is an isosceles triangle. So the very first thing you will do here is at vertex A we will use vertical opposite angle property. So you will get the interior angle, that is BAC, also as 92 degree. We can mark it inside the triangle as 92 degree. Now, using the isosceles property, the base angles here is B and angle ACB or BCA. Both the base angles should be equal to each other. Now, using angle sum property, you will get the value of x as shifting 92 degree to the right hand side and adding both the same variable. You will get finally 2x as 180 degree minus 92 degree. Yes, subtracting the 2 on the right hand side, you will get 88 degree. Shifting 2, you will get the value of x as 44 degree. Now, I am using exterior angle property here. Exterior angle property means sum of interior opposite angle is equals to exterior angle. From 1 we can replace x by 44 degree. We will get the value of y as 44 degree plus 92 degree, which means 136 degree. This is a value of y. I hope the calculation is clear. So if the sum given to you, figure given to you, has an isosceles triangle, so we will use one more property now, that is isosceles property, which states that the base angles are equal. Now, in a triangle, the sum of the lengths of any two sides is greater than the length of the third side. And the difference between the length of any two sides of a triangle is smaller than the length of third side. Your first property you can use to verify the statements or to check whether the dimension given to you of a triangle is correct or not. And both the property you will use to find the range of the missing third side. Moving to exercise 6.4. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? So, here the sides values are given to you. You have to check whether it's possible to draw a triangle with these values or not. So, we will use the first property, that is, sum of two sides should be greater than that of the third side. Using all the possible pairs, first one is 2 plus 3, next is 3 plus 5, next is 2 plus 5. The third side left in each case is 5, 2, 3. Checking the sum, here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 3 plus 5 greater than 2, 2 plus 5 greater than 3. Now here the first line is equal. So no, it is not possible, as the sum of two sides should be greater than that of the third side. Using the next combination, again the same property. First pair is 3 plus 6, next is 6 plus 7, next is 7 plus 3 or 3 plus 7. The third side left in each case is 7, 3, 6. Now first 3 plus 6 is greater than 7, next 6 plus 7 is greater than 3, next 7 plus 3 is greater than 6. In all the condition you are getting a greater, so it is possible. Next, again using the same property, taking combination, the third side left is 2, 6, 3. Here the first one sum is greater, next one sum is lesser, next one sum is again greater. So here we can see 3 plus 2 is smaller than 6. So no, it is not possible. Question number 2. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR, and we have to prove 3 statements given to you. So here O is the interior point. First we will join all the vertex to this interior point. Now you will have 3 triangles. Considering all the triangle one by one. As per the first statement, we will consider here OPQ. Using the same logic in each case, as we are supposed to verify the statement with a greater sign. So we will use the logic of sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. So this triangle, as per the statement, we are supposed to verify OP and OQ. We will add, and it should be greater than the third side left, that is PQ. So we will say yes, as in triangle OPQ, sides are OPOQ and PQ, and as per the property, we will add OP plus OQ, we will get the sum greater than PQ. Moving to the second verification, we will consider OQR. Again we can say yes here, as in triangle OQR, the sides are OR, OQ and QR. As per the statement, we will consider OR and OQ on the left hand side. We will add these two sides and the sum should be greater than the third side. In the third triangle, again we can say yes, as in this triangle, the sides are OP, OR and PR. As per the property, adding the two sides, you will get the sum greater than the third side. Moving to question number 3. AM is a median of a triangle ABC. We have to prove whether AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. C. In the proof statement, there is a sign greater. It means we will use the property here that sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. So here, AM is a median. Here we are having two triangles. One is on the left of median, one is on the right of median. Considering both the triangle one by one, first considering the triangle on the left. Using the property of sum of two sides should be greater than the third side, as in the verification there is a sign of greater. So yes, we will consider the same property here. Now the sides are AB, BM and AM. Which side you will consider in the right and which two sides you will add? As per the verification, AM should be on the right. So in triangle ABM, sides are AB, BM and AM. As per the verification, we are supposed to write AM on the right. So we will use AB plus BM on the left. This is your first statement. Considering the next triangle which is on the right of the median, the sides are AC, MC and AM. Again, we will use AM on the right hand side. Two sides addition will be greater than that of the third side. These are the two equations which you will get using this property in both the triangle. Now, in the statement, final statement, I want 2am on the right. So, to get 2am, you will add both the equation. Adding equation means both the values which you are giving in 1 and 2 means left hand side to left hand side and right hand side to right hand side. So first you will add all the left hand side terms. Then you will add right hand side. Now here in the left hand side you can see it's given BM and MC. As per the figure, BM and MC will finally make BC. So we will replace these two by BC here, and right hand side AM will give you 2AM. Now this is verified now, so your final statement will be yes. Moving to question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means closed figure with 4 line segment. We have to prove this statement. Again, there is a greater sign. It means you will use the property of sum of two sides will be greater than that of the third side. Here we have to use AC and BD on the right. So we will use AC first. Here you can see if AC is a side, then there are two possible triangles. One is above, one is below. First I am considering below. That is triangle ABC. We have to use AC on the right. Yes. So the sides left are AB and BC. You will get the equation as AB plus BC is greater than AC. Mark it as 1. Now considering the second triangle with the side AC, it's ACD. AC will keep on the right hand side. Sides left are AD and DC or CD we can say. So finally we will write CD plus DA is greater than AC. This is your second. Now after using both the triangle of AC, we will move to the next diagonal. It's BD here. Again with the side BD there are two possible triangles. First we will consider the triangle which is below BD. We have to use BD on the right. Sides left you will add. This is your third. Considering the last triangle, that is a triangle which is above BD. Again taking BD on the right and the two sides left, we will add them. Now you want the addition sign between AC and BD, so we will add all the equations 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding all of them means left hand side first and then right hand side. Adding left hand side will get this expression, and then greater sign and right hand side. On the left hand side you can see there are 2AB. So you can write it as 2AB. Now there are 2BC, there are 2CD, there are 2DA. Once your left hand side is over, we will move to right hand side. Again in the right hand side there are 2AC and there are 2BD. Now in both the part, left hand side and right hand side, you will see all the terms are having 2, taking 2 common from both the side. Cancelling, we will get the statement as AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD, which we were supposed to check. So answer is yes. Moving to the next question, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Here we are supposed to prove that is AB plus BC plus CD plus D is less than 2 of AC plus BD. Till now we were solving that the sum of the two sides should be greater than that of third side. See, right now the sign given to you is of the smaller one. To make it easy, we will just interchange the place of left hand side and right hand side so that the side will also get changed, and instead of smaller one you will get this as this one. Now we will see after the greater sign you want AB, then BC, then CD, then DA. What are these? These are the sides. So this will act, these main sides of the quadrilateral will act as a third side of a triangle. So we can see the triangle with a side AB. First one is AOB or OAB or OBA. Yes, the side which you want on the right hand side is AB. So the sides left are OA and OB. We will add these two. We will get the value greater than AB. Now I want BC. So the triangle will be OBC. Again I want BC on the right. So OB plus OC is greater than BC. Mark it as second. Now I want CD. So this triangle we will consider. Again CD on the right means OC plus OD is greater than CD. Next, considering the last triangle, yes. So we will have OD plus OA is greater than DA. Now on the right hand side we want all these things with a plus sign. So we will add 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding all, you will get left hand side first and then right hand side. See, on the right hand side you are getting the expression which you want in the proof, but in the left hand side I want only AC and BD, but here it's OA, OB, OC, OD. So first you will check in the diagram. AC means OA and OC. So we will combine this OA, OC, we will write it as AC. Again one more such pair is there, we will write it as AC. Next in the figure you can see OB and OD will make finally BD. So OB and OD you will write it as BD. Again OB and OD you will write it as BD. Right part expression will be same. Now on the left 2 AC are there and 2 BD are there. Write as it is. We can take 2 common here. Yes, we are getting the expression which you want earlier. So answer is again yes. Moving to question number 6. Here we are supposed to find length of 2 sides of a triangle are given to you, and we are supposed to find the range of the third side. As I told you earlier, if we are supposed to find the range of the third side on the basis of the value given to you of the 2 sides, we will use both the property. First property is sum of the 2 sides should be greater than that of the third side. So here, adding the two, you will get 27. As per the statement, this 27 should be greater than the third side. It means the third side has to be less than 27. Using the second property, difference of the two sides should be smaller than the third side. Find out the difference now. Difference means greater minus smaller, getting the answer as 3. This difference should be smaller than the third side. It means the third side has to be greater than 3. So the range is 3 and 27. We will find the value of third side between 3 and 27. I hope all the calculation explanation is clear to each one of you. Thank you everyone. God bless you all.